I just thought I'd do a quick video just to explain the process of what I'm doing with Manus and how it's actually benefited me over the last week or so. I've just launched a website, and what you're looking at the screen now, there's further edits down the page, and I'll go through those in a minute. But you can see here what I decided to do was I wanted to build a website to promote our pay-as-you-go offerings, where we don't charge people for web development. We just charge them a monthly subscription fee, which is, just our way of offering free websites, which is a play on words. But you can see here, I said I want to optimize pay-as-you-go abi.au to show the search engines for local search in Frankston, which is my suburb, and surrounding suburbs, including Mornington Peninsula, which is an outlying suburb close to us. What pages do I need to add, and what edits should I apply to the home page? That's the existing home page. Please share a list of the tasks I need to do to achieve it. So it's come back with a whole heap of stuff down here. You can see that, so it's gone off and researched it, and then it's come back, it's analysed the website, and it's come back with a whole page. So this was step one. Now, I'll get to the chase shortly, so I'll scroll down the screen, because what I then asked to do was to create the pages, because it recommended creating suburb pages and services pages, so that you actually don't just have a static one-page website for local business, for SEO. You need to build out services pages for all the areas that you want to market to. Now, I'm doing some local TV advertising for this software, and I'm targeting these suburbs in that TV ad. So although I want the offer to be available to everyone, I've actually just decided for the next couple of weeks just to push it to a few of the local suburbs. So that's the basis of this project. Okay. So if we move down, I'll just get to some of the HTML pages. So it's got one here for web design Mornington, and I can click on that and open it. So this is purely given to me by Manus, right? So it's got a full page here, so it's all about web design. It's got the surrounding suburbs. Now, one of the things it didn't do initially was make these clickable, but I've since gone back and asked it to review this and make all of these clickable and link to the relevant pages that it writes about. Okay, so that's the concept, and it's just built what I think is a great looking page. So I did tell it to use my preferred colors, which are black and gold, and it's come up with all these things, right? So you can see up the top, it's actually got a small menu, and it's created pages, or I've had it create pages for each of these as well. So we've got pricing and areas. Now, what I now do, next thing I do is I actually get the code. So we just grab the code here, okay, and I copy it all. So I just grab it and go down to the bottom of the page. Found this to be the easiest way. This is probably the most laborsome part of the whole deal. So just copy the HTML page. I go into our site, and this is my site structure at the moment. So I'm just going to create a new page. I'm going to call a test for this exercise, okay? And just create it. We go in here, and I'm just going to add a code element to the page, and that's it. So if I go plus code, grab the code, drop it onto the page, we go in and we edit the page, open the code editor and paste, and hit save. And then we can publish that, or I'll just preview it. I'm not going to publish it. We just preview it, and that's our page. Now, the one thing that I noticed in here was that I actually want the full black background, so I had to actually go in here and then just change the background to black. Publish, or save it. Actually, I don't want to publish, and we'll go back and review it. And there's our page, right? And all of these links are linkable, right? In the last page we do, I've asked it to make sure that all these links here are linkable to the page. So that's really the concept of getting HTML page from Manus, and you can see how quick it is to ask it to create a page and do it. Just to show you what stage I'm up to at the moment. We'll go back. I'll just go back down. You can see I've done quite a lot, but this all happened probably within 2 days, maybe. So we've got it going through. It seems a lot more tasks than what's actually there. I just, found little things that it needed to update. And you can see here, for example, I just asked it to create a group of services pages and have a look at that. So what we can do is I can open that up. Services, and these are the services pages that it's created. And you can see the code here. So I can copy that code and drop it in, and it gives me exactly the same layout, exactly the same menus and everything else all on the page, and I just drop them in. It's created I think it's 42 additional pages, one under services, one under industries, and let's have a look at the services page. We'll download that just so I can have a look at it. Oh, it's downloading the zip, that's fine. I'll have a look in here. I haven't looked at this, so this is interesting. So services, let's have a look and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the services page, and it's come up, it's page you go, smart, whatever. Let's have a look and see if that links. No, it doesn't link because I haven't downloaded the other pages. Okay, but you'll find if I install that under Go Highlevel and create all of these pages, just drop the code in, then it will actually, link. And that's my task for today, just to create these pages, and I'll have a fully functional SEO optimized website designed to give Google and the search engines what they need. Okay, hope that helps, and reach out if if there's something that you need, or if there's any way I can help. I'm always available. Take care. Bye.